Point your left toe outwards. Inhale, reach your hands high to the sky. Bend your left knee, move into a runner lunge position. Coming into a downward dog position. Hold for 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, in between your hands. Hold this lunge position, high lunge position. Really lunging from the front leg. And make eagle arms with your upper body. Squeezing the elbows together, squeezing the inner thighs together. Hold. A big inhale. Exhale, moving into a warrior 2 position. Lunging from the front knee. Hands becoming parallel to the ground. Gaze towards the left side. Hold. And exhale. Right hand sliding down. Left hand coming right over your face. Into a reverse lunge position. Hold for 3, 2, and relax your hands, relax your body. Inhale, reach your hands up. Exhale, move into a cactus position. Inhale. Exhale. Hands at 90-degree position, a slight back bend. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, slight back bend. Exhale. Inhale, and this time just try to hold the cactus position. Opening the chest, opening the heart. And relax. Amazing, guys. I hope you had fun doing this full body yoga flexibility with me. Like and subscribe Utsav Yoga for more content, and have a beautiful day.